Mindfulness is about paying attention to the present moment. It's a practice that encourages us to be fully aware of where we are and what we're doing without being overly reactive or overwhelmed by what's going on around us. It is about noticing your thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. This means observing them as they are, without labeling them as good or bad, right or wrong. When you practice mindfulness, you observe what is happening without getting carried away by it. You become a witness to your own experience, allowing yourself to see things more clearly and respond more thoughtfully. Imagine you are holding a cup of tea. Feel the texture of the cup, the weight of it in your hands. What do you notice? The warmth of the cup in your hands, the way it feels against your skin, the aroma filling your senses, the subtle notes of the tea's fragrance, the sound of the kettle whistling. This is mindfulness. It's about tuning into the small details of your experience. It's about bringing your full attention to the experience of drinking tea without multitasking or letting your mind wander. You savor each sip, noticing the taste and the sensation of the tea as it moves through your body. It's about being fully present in this moment, not thinking about the past or worrying about the future, but simply being here now. Mindfulness is a simple practice, but it can be profound. It can transform the way we experience our daily lives, bringing a sense of peace and clarity. It allows us to step back from our thoughts and emotions, creating space for peace and clarity. By practicing mindfulness regularly, we can cultivate a deeper sense of awareness and connection to ourselves and the world around us. Mindfulness can be practiced anywhere, anytime. You don't need special equipment or a quiet room. You can practice mindfulness while walking, eating, or even washing dishes. Next time you're walking, pay attention to the sensation of your feet on the ground. Notice the rhythm of your breath. Observe the sights and sounds around you. When you're eating, savor each bite. Pay attention to the textures, flavors, and aromas of your food. Eat slowly and mindfully, appreciating the nourishment it provides. Even everyday tasks like washing dishes can become opportunities for mindfulness. Feel the warm water on your hands. Notice the bubbles forming and popping. Pay attention to the scent of the soap. Meditation is a way to practice being mindful. You sit comfortably, close your eyes, and focus on one thing. This could be your breathing, a word, or an image. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back to what you were focusing on. It's normal for your mind to wander. Just notice it and gently bring your focus back without being hard on yourself. There are many ways to meditate, but they all help you be more present and aware. Think of meditation as exercise for your mind. It helps you focus better, think clearly, and handle your emotions well. To begin a meditation practice, find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. This could be a dedicated room, a corner of your home, or even a spot in nature where you feel at peace. Sit comfortably with your back straight but not stiff. You can sit on a chair, a cushion, or directly on the floor, whatever feels most comfortable for you. Close your eyes and turn your attention to your breath. Feel the natural rhythm of your breathing without trying to change it. Notice the sensation of your breath as it enters and leaves your body. Pay attention to how your chest and abdomen rise and fall with each breath. Don't try to control your breath, simply observe it. Let your breath flow naturally and just be a silent witness to its movement. As you focus on your breath, thoughts may arise. This is completely normal and part of the process. Acknowledge these thoughts without judgment and gently guide your attention back to your breath. Imagine your thoughts as leaves floating on the stream. Let them pass by without getting caught up in them. It's like watching clouds drift by in the sky. You notice them, but you don't chase after them or try to hold on to them. You notice them, but you don't chase after them. Allow them to come and go as they please. Start with short meditation sessions of 5 to 10 minutes. Set a timer to help you keep track of the time without having to check a clock. Gradually increase the duration as you feel comfortable. Consistency is key. Over time, you may find yourself meditating for longer periods naturally. Even a few minutes of daily meditation can make a difference. It can help reduce stress, improve focus, and bring a sense of calm and clarity to your day. Section 5. Benefits for beginners. Mindfulness and meditation offer numerous benefits for beginners. These practices can reduce stress, improve focus, enhance emotional regulation, and promote self-awareness. When you practice mindfulness, you become more aware of your stress triggers and develop healthier coping mechanisms. You learn to respond to challenges with more calmness and clarity. Meditation helps improve focus and concentration. By training your mind to stay present, you become less easily distracted and more productive in your daily life. Mindfulness and meditation also enhance emotional regulation. You learn to observe your emotions without judgment, allowing you to respond to them in a more balanced and skillful way. Section 6. Overcoming challenges. It's common to encounter challenges when starting a mindfulness or meditation practice. These challenges can range from physical discomfort to mental distractions. You may find it difficult to quiet your mind or sit still for extended periods. Be patient with yourself. Understand that these initial hurdles are a natural part of the learning process. It takes time and practice to develop these skills. Just like any other skill, consistency and dedication are key. Don't get discouraged if your mind wanders or you feel restless. These are common experiences for beginners and even for those who have been practicing for a while. It's all part of the process. Embrace these moments as opportunities to learn more about yourself and your mind. If you find yourself struggling, try shortening your meditation sessions or practicing mindfulness during everyday activities. This can make the practice more manageable and less daunting. Remember, every moment is an opportunity to cultivate awareness. Whether you are sitting in meditation or simply going about your day, mindfulness can be practiced anywhere, anytime. It can also be helpful to connect with others who are practicing mindfulness or meditation. Sharing experiences and challenges can provide support and encouragement. Join a meditation group or find a mindfulness teacher who can guide you on your journey. Having a community or a mentor can make a significant difference in your practice, offering guidance, support, and motivation. Section 7. Finding your path. There are many paths to mindfulness and meditation. Experiment with different techniques and find what resonates with you. Some people connect with guided meditations, while others prefer silent meditation. Explore different types of meditation, such as walking meditation, loving kindness meditation, or body scan meditation. There's no right or wrong way to practice. The most important thing is to find a practice that you enjoy and that fits into your lifestyle. Consistency is key, so choose a practice that you can sustain over time. Remember, mindfulness and meditation are journeys, not destinations. It's about the practice, not about achieving perfection. Section 8. Integrating mindfulness. Mindfulness can be integrated into all aspects of your life. You can practice mindfulness while eating, walking, working, or spending time with loved ones. Bring mindfulness to your conversations. Listen attentively to others and speak with intention. Notice the non-verbal cues in your interactions. Practice mindfulness while you work. Take breaks to stretch, breathe deeply, and refocus your attention. Approach your tasks with a sense of presence and purpose. By integrating mindfulness into your daily life, you cultivate a greater sense of awareness and appreciation for the present moment. Section 9. Resources for your journey. There are countless resources available to support your mindfulness and meditation journey. Books, apps, websites, and local meditation centers offer guidance and inspiration. Explore books by renowned mindfulness teachers such as Jon Kabat-Zinn, Thich Nhat Hanh, and Sharon Salzberg. Their teachings offer profound insights and practical advice. Meditation apps like Headspace, Calm, and Insight Timer provide guided meditations, mindfulness exercises, and support for developing a regular practice. Local meditation centers often offer classes, workshops, and retreats for all levels, from beginners to experienced practitioners. Section 10. Embrace the present moment. Mindfulness and meditation are invitations to embrace the present moment. By cultivating awareness and acceptance, we open ourselves to the richness and beauty of life as it unfolds. Remember, the present moment is all we ever have. By learning to be fully present, we tap into a deep well of peace, joy, and gratitude. Start your mindfulness and meditation journey today and experience the transformative power of these practices.